Hello everyone, I'm making this video because I really wanted to show you guys this product that I use. This is the Everlast boxing gloves. This is the red version of them. They come in a few different colors. They come in a red like this, a green, a blue, a pink, and I think an orange, which is awesome. A bunch of different variety in it. So how you use this is it's pretty easy. All you have to do is just slide them on like this, and that's pretty much it. You can use these for if you have a boxing bag home. If you have the sport, this is definitely a good option to get if you box. So as you can see here, I can squeeze this, I can twist it all I want, I can scratch it, bend it, and it's a very durable material, which is always great. There's no rip in it, it doesn't leave any marks, any fingerprint marks, so it's definitely very durable, and it's very good in that case. So how I first seen this was on TV. So on Everlast is a very big company in different boxing. Everlast is definitely a good company because it's very well known. As you can see, it's a big sponsor of the UFC. So a lot of celebrities use this and professional boxers. So it's very well known. So I get compliments about these gloves all the time because they're very nice look, and people always say that they're very durable, as of other gloves that they've used usually break fairly easy. I've had these for about 2 years and they have never broken on me. It doesn't even they look like they're just out of the box. When you first get these, they come in a bag like these ones, as these are the pink ones, as you can see. So it comes in this bag that you can really keep. It has a zipper here, so you can keep them up like that, so it's easy to take around with you, which is always helpful. They're fairly small, so they're easy to take around wherever you need. They don't take up much space, as you can go like this, and you can squeeze them in so you can fit them into really any bag or luggage that you need, and they don't take up much space at all. One of the downsides that I've found from these, though, is, as you can see when you fit them on, they fit perfectly in your hand, but they don't have any straps around the wrist. So if you have like small wrist, as you can see, it comes out a lot, so it's not the most comfortable around there, and it doesn't feel like it fits on as tight, which is a bit of a downside. These can come in a few different sizes, so really anyone. I think there's a small, a medium, a large, and a kids. So really anyone in any age can use this, which is always a plus size, so can be for anyone. So this definitely makes things a lot easier, because other boxing gloves I've had in the past, they break very easily and they wear down, and I'm always having to go out and buy new ones. But I've had these for 2 years and they still work perfectly, and I can't see me getting any new ones anytime soon, so that's definitely a plus side. So it's made out of a rubber kind of material. It's a very strong material. On the inside, it's really like soft, like a foam in there, so it's comfortable on your hand. So yeah, so it's definitely a nice material. It's almost like a velvet, material. So it's a very nice material. So the product looks very nice. Like I said, I've got many compliments in the past from these. It's kind of tight and soft here, so to hold it all together. And then, like I said, on the inside, it's very soft and comfortable. This company, Everlast, they also make a few other products. They make different workout material, they make clothing, they make boxing bags, they make other boxing equipment. So they're an athletic company. They're very good, and they're very well known, and they're a very reliable company. So this can actually make you way stronger, as boxing is a very good physical activity. I've found that I've gotten way stronger and more athletic over the years by using these, so that's always a plus side. Yeah, so this is a very competitive sport, and it's very high pace, so it burns a lot of energy, and it's easy for you to lose weight if that's what you're trying to do, and also it's really fun. So losing weight and while having fun is always a really plus side, and it's awesome. So you don't need anything for these. You don't need to clean them. I've never cleaned them before. You don't need anywhere really. You can store them anywhere because they don't break. You can store them in a closet. You can store them on your floor. You can store them in a bin. So it's very good that you can really put these wherever you want, and they don't take up any space really at all. Yeah, so I usually, if I go anywhere, I can take these on a plane. I just throw them in my suitcase, and I can take them anywhere. So I can be in any country, I can be in any state, I can be anywhere, and I can box wherever I want. And it's really awesome because you can just you don't even need a boxing bag. If you have a sturdy wall, you can use these, and you don't have to. And they when like you're punching, so this doesn't hurt your hand at all, which is a really good side. Because I've found in the past some that have cheap material while you're punching, it still hurts your hand here when you're doing that. But these, I can put them on, I can punch, and you don't even feel it. So that's awesome. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, took something out of these products, and maybe even try them out yourself. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Yep, thank you.